Welcome to my podcast. Today I'm talking about equipment. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about cell phones. But before we get into it, remember that I'm a doing channel encouraging you to go out and do the things. Success in social media comes from doing. So after this podcast video, take a few minutes to practice what I'm telling you to do. I'll keep these videos and podcasts short so that you have time to practice each suggestion a couple of times before moving on to the next video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I recently purchased this cell phone. This is a Samsung. I have previously used this Google Pixel phone. I absolutely love it. It's a Google Pixel 5. It shot great video, did all the things I need to do. Unfortunately, due to unforeseen circumstances, it has broken. It is completely worthless right now. I can't even turn it on. It got wet. It got overheated. All the things just collided into one massive, it doesn't work. So in order for me to be able to use this cell phone ever again, I would have to take it in, have it repaired by a professional, revamp it so that it works again. Unfortunately, I don't know a qualified professional that can fix it that is close to me, and I don't have the money for it. It would actually cost more to fix this than buying this one, this is an old Galaxy A04e. I paid a little less than $100 for this. You can get one of these for yourselves on Amazon for about $100 as well. You can also get cheaper phones that shoot the exact same type of videos. And my next one, I'll actually be showing you what the videos look like out of this. What I'm saying is, equipment is not that big of a deal. The difference that you're getting from the video effects, you can actually see in the next video. You'll be seeing the new videos filmed from these. Previous videos I've shown, you can see on the old Pixel footage. Feel free to take a look at those videos. I talk about lighting and video and sound and all the other things that I will be able to get into later on. But right now you need to focus on the doing, which is the most important thing. Just grab a phone. If you can go mow lawns or babysit or whatever it is that you need to do to be able to get your hands on a phone, you can actually go on social media and start doing the things necessary to become a YouTube, Instagram, or whatever star you want to be. Let me tell you a little bit about the limitations of this phone. I love it, but it really doesn't come with a whole lot. I had to download YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all the things onto this phone that a lot of times come with new phones. They are automatically uploaded. In fact, Pixel, when I had it, had a lot of programs that went into the phone already pre-installed that just came with it that were great, that made my life a lot easier and made it possible for me to go and shoot great videos and edit the videos. This one didn't have those things pre-installed. And one of the things that is kind of a hindrance in using old technology, I record a whole lot of videos on this and don't post them right away, what I'm going to be left with is a phone that can't handle any more footage. The programs that this did come with, plus the programs that I need to be able to run a YouTube channel, was so much so that it actually took up half the memory of the phone by themselves. So that limits my ability to make videos. However, that's not going to stop me from making videos. And there's the same thing for you. You can't let a little setback or one minor thing stop you from making videos. It's not about the equipment. It's about you. You are your channel. Over the past couple of videos, I've even used my computer, which I'm using right now, to make videos and podcasts in order to show you how easy it can be done. It's not the best footage, but the point isn't what you're seeing on podcasts. The point is what you're hearing. It's the information you're putting out there. And that's what I want you to understand. Go out there and put out that information, because that's really what your selling point is. You being a content creator is your selling point. You are your own product. So go sell yourself in such a way that people want to hear what you have to say. Become the subject matter expert of whatever it is that you want to tell people. That way, when they listen to you, they know that you're the expert. Also, another thing that really helps out with the equipment is when you're less worried about what you're dealing with and the equipment that you're shooting on, you'll be more focused on the subject that you're talking about. The important thing in life when you're a social media content creator is the content creation aspect. And you, the creator, just need to go out there and do it. You're not going to start off making amazing content. It's just not possible. But you can start off by making videos and posting and getting familiar with how everything works. So go out there and practice. Get used to these things being put together. Get used to being in front of the camera. Get used to talking to people you've never met before until it becomes a natural flow in your creative process. And that goes for every aspect of content creation, which leads me to tell you to go out and go make those videos, become a content creator. I'm Eddie, and I want you to be a YouTube success. So go out there and do it.